yeah, just made the Swisschard, just made this powder from Swisschard. Can't see why you couldn't do it with spinach either. And what I did was put it in the oven for about 70 degrees Celsius, the first batch I made, and the second batch I did at 100. But the second time I put it on a tray, and it actually took longer. First lot, I just put it on the rack, and it actually dried quicker that way. I think I didn't actually time it, but it seemed quicker. And then yeah, I just put it in the blender, blended it. Didn't blend super fine. Probably worked better with a bit more in there, because it kind of, once it blended a bit, it just started like flying. The power from the blade would just blow it up to the top. So I'm going to start doing more, I guess. I'm going to plant more spinach. I've got no spinach at the moment, but I'm going to plant some spinach, Swisschard, and hopefully get like a constant supply of it. And what I did was I just added it to my pasta, my fried rice and stuff, and I couldn't even really taste it. So yeah, hopefully get more and more of it. Still got a bit here. Some of it's quite fine. Didn't really like dissolve into the water. Tried to mix it into some water, but I guess in like a smoothie or something will probably be the go if you don't want to add it to your food. But yeah, that's pretty much it.